What's up guys, how you guys doing? So I've been having this really bad flu, but it has cleared away. So as you can see behind me, now this is part 2. As you can see behind me now, we are attaching the boot, the other donor boot, to this vehicle over here. So I'm going to show you guys what is going on as we are using MIG. We're not going to use the normal, which side can you see me better? We're not going to use the normal wire because MIG is better for welding permanently. So I'm going to show you guys that build, this part. Yeah, and I don't think I'll do so much talking because of my throat, but I'm a talkative person, so itabidi man. So let's get into the video. So this is where we are at when in the build. So this has been joined, so it's just there's a way it's going to be connected well here. So it has overlapped, but it's going to be worked on well, so that at least when they use the MIG, it's not going to burn the inner structure, because this thing has layers, so it's not going to burn the inner structure over here. So that's what they're going to do. And then this line, this line, they're going to, this body, the donor body does not have the spots for this. I don't know what they're called, the spots for this. So we are going to put those spots here nicely to align to this body, because to me I feel like they make the car look way better. For now they've just put spots so that they can do the fitting well.
Hii iko mahali yake, itasukuma hii ndio mahali yake. Hii ukisukuma unapoteza hii. Hello. Ni uanze kushika hizi au wengine utapanga na jeki. Wale wameingiana kama wale. Naona huyu hajaumia sana pande hiyo. Huyu afunge afike mahali yake. Hello. Yaani huyu ambaye amepotea asukumwe. Sasa jeki tulirudisha. Sikumrudisha tu. Hata unaweza chukua hata siza jeki. Weka mamawa hapo usukume hiyo. Haiwezi juu. Nafanya yuko hapa. Mimi ningesema usikuma hapa na kimbao. Naona je kuna bati, ile bati ni line, ukisukuma inaweka dent. Haiendi. Unaona hii iko flat. Sukume hii ikiwa flat. Usukume yote hii. Wewe unataka kwenda kwa hiyo jack na jack itakusaidia. Ukachukua jack hiyo hiki. Na uko hata na wengine umesema hapa jack mataifa. Na hii nyingine hapa. Mpange tu mama zako hapa vizuri mpaka hapa. Weke jeki yako sukume hii kitu. Jingine iko ndani. Unaelewa? It makes sense. Kama bado unaelewa. Naelewa. Hii gari imejaa bongo. Haiko mahali yake. Lazima usukume kila kitu kifike mahali yake. Wani nikishikia hii ndio uone hiyo. Uone hii imeshavalishwa. Hata nini turudishe nyuma kidogo na kuwekelea hapa. Hapa lazima utaongeza kabisa. Unaona? Ndio yaje kienda hivi. Na kama itawezekana, kama hii pisi hapa ile iko beta, tukate hii, tuweke hii nyingine sasa. Tunachoma tu mabati, tunakata tu mabati kwa hizi nyingine. Tunaongeza hapa. Hii kidogo tunaelewa sasa. So hiyo ni skume, unahitaji jack. Kama ungekuwa kwa nyumba ungehitaji hiyo jack ulipe 1000 ndio kwaje?
So the man behind all this is him, Isaac. So I'm going to leave his number in the description so that if you guys want builds like this, you can just contact him and he'll sort you guys out, because you've seen this whole build, so you can trust his work. So that's the MIG machine. That's what is being used to fit and spot all all this. Yeah. Nifungie hiyo bonnet. The process.
Adamu bana.
So as the car is being built back there, we've gotten some side quests, and we're inside Mazda CX-5. I'm going to tell you guys how this car rolls. Yeah, it's not my first time driving it, but it's my first time recording driving it. So there it is. Built. My now daily is here, being washed, polite. Actually, I think it's among. It's not a bad car, if I'm being honest. It's a super nice car. Let's take it on the road and see how good it is. So I'm supposed to buckle up. That's that noise. Anyway, I'll get back to you guys shortly. Let me buckle up first. This is an automatic, I forgot. I can buckle up as I drive. But don't do that, man. It's not safe. It's at low fuel. It's not a bad. I'm loving the driving feeling, and it has I-stop, marvelous. It's a good car. All right. So I'll get. It also has heads-up display. I don't know whether you guys can see it there at the screen. The heads-up display. And after filling up the car and finishing all our side quests, now we can go back to the build. One of the garages also taking part in the build. Huge shout out to him. What's up, guys? I lost track of the days. We are here. So the vehicle where we've gotten to is now connecting the vehicle with the MIG wire. So I'll just show you guys what is taking place. So you can see the MIG has connected the vehicle well So that's what was happening. Yeah, but then it's going to be sanded down nicely, so it's going to be nice and smooth. You won't even notice. You guys just wait and you're going to see how the build is going to turn out. So there's this gap over here. So what Isaac is going to do is putting this wire from the inside, so it's going to cover the inside nicely, and also from the outside they're going to put a wire nicely. And once they put this nicely, you won't even see that gap, you won't even notice. You guys just are going to see right now. And yeah, if you need this body build, Hari? Sauti sio mzuri. Sauti acha ni yake.
Moto hapa.
So ndio vile umeisema, ndio mimi sikuwa nafikiria mambo ya moto. When it got to the part where we fitted the window is when now I knew this build is coming out great, because now you could tell, even though the window was not yet put in place permanently, you could tell now the build is coming out nicely. And the fuel tank also, like everything was just coming out great, and I was really and I am really enjoying this build. So the fuel tank with the fuel cap, you're still going to use the same one, because this one is better according to us. The other one that came with the vehicle, not so much. So up to this point, we are really enjoying the build, and I hope you guys are enjoying the build as much as I am, because this is going to be one of a kind build. And make sure you comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. Then we get back to the video. Yeah, I think at that point you have already subscribed. And now we've fitted the, what is it called, the boot cap or whatever, hiyo kifuniko ya boot. Yeah, and yeah, it looked very good. And even after testing, you could tell that it fitted really well. Even the gaps, you guys are going to see, like the gap was just spot on. Like that's what I loved the most. As you can see, the gaps, and as much as it hurts me to say this, the video has finally come to an end, and I'll catch you all in the next video.